If you are new to website creation, choosing the right host is crucial. Hostinger stands out as one of the best options for beginners, and here's why.
Hostinger is without a doubt one of the best hosts for beginners thanks to its intuitive interface, affordable rates, reliable performance, and excellent customer support. Hostinger is here to assist you every step of the way, whether you're creating a blog, a showcase site, or an online store.
Hostinger includes features designed to make life easier for beginners. Website Builder, create a site without coding using a drag-and-drop editor. Domain Management, buy and manage your domains directly from hPanel. Business Email, create custom email addresses, e.g. contact@votresite.com. Built-in security, DDoS attack protection, free SSL, and automatic backups. Hostinger goes beyond hosting by offering educational resources for beginners. Video tutorials, learn how to create and manage a website step by step. Educational blog, articles on SEO, digital marketing, website creation, etc. Active community, forums and groups to ask questions and share tips.
Shared hosting, ideal for small sites and blogs. Cloud hosting, for larger projects requiring more resources. VPS, for sites with high traffic or complex applications.
Positive customer reviews. Hostinger is popular with millions of users around the world. Beginners particularly like ease of use, the unbeatable price-performance ratio, the quality of customer support.